Hi, welcome to the print shop. Today we're going to learn how to make prints using Legos. For this project you'll need the following materials. A Lego base plate, which can be a variety of different sizes. Paper, a nice smooth paper, which is cut just slightly larger than that base plate. We'll need a variety of different sizes and shapes of flat, smooth Lego bricks. A baren, later for printing. You can also use a wooden spoon. A brayer, this will be for spreading ink later. A palette knife is nice to have on hand for cleanup and also for spreading ink if you need a little bit more help with that. Water-based ink, Speedball is a great brand to try. And then here we just have some idea cards. This is for idea generation later if you need a little bit of help when you're getting started with your design. All right, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is assemble your bricks to create a design. While you're choosing your bricks, only focus on the size, shape, and placement of the bricks. The color will not matter to your final print, as we will be applying ink over the top of your design. Also, remember that your image will print in reverse as a mirror image of what you see now. If you include letters or text, you will need to construct these as a mirror image. When you're happy with your design, it's time to print. All right, so here we have our completed plate and we're ready to print. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a nice smooth surface when we're inking. We wanna use a flat piece of glass or plexi, something we can easily clean later. I'm gonna put kind of a thin ribbon of ink. I think I may have put a little too much, so I'm going to grab my palette knife. I'm going to kind of spread it out and I'm going to take some extra. I'm just going to put it off to the side. I'm going to set my palette knife over here. Don't want to get your ink on anything unnecessary. I'm going to grab my brayer. So this is a tool we use to roll out our ink, and I'm going to start going top to bottom, pulling the ink down. Once I've created kind of a rectangle, I can start rolling different directions. You want to have a nice, smooth, consistent area of ink, and when you have it at the right thickness, it kind of sounds like Velcro, so listen carefully. Can you hear it? All right, once you've accomplished that thickness, then it's time to roll it onto your plate. So I'm going to carefully roll over my bricks. I'm going to move my brayer in a variety of directions. I'm going to go back and recharge my brayer over here. All right, I think I'm getting pretty close here. All right, I want to move right into printing as quickly as I can because the water-based ink is going to dry fairly quickly. So I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line it up, set it down. Once it's down, don't try to move it again. Use my hands just to get it started to help that paper stick to the ink. And then I'm going to grab my baren or my wooden spoon to finish the job. So I'm going to rub over this in a circular motion over all areas of my print. If I'm not sure if it's printing well, I can take the corner and I can peek. It's looking pretty good. Okay, a couple final rotations here. And when I think I've got it, I'm going to take from the corner. I'm going to pull up and reveal my final print. If you're looking for a way to push the process even further, then consider doing a multi-plate design. In this type of Lego print, you have 2 or more separate blocks that all contain different pieces of the same image. You can choose which color you'll apply to each block, and when they're all printed on top of each other, you end up with something like this. I hope you had as much fun as I did today expressing yourself through Lego printmaking. See you next time.